Hey there! Did you know that your genes aren't just about how you look or how tall you are? Turns out, they also have a lot to do with the bacteria living in your gut. Yep, the teeny tiny microbes hanging out in your digestive system are influenced by your genetic makeup, and it's making scientists rethink how they understand gut health. Let's dive into these new findings and see how your genes and gut bacteria work together to keep things running smoothly. This presentation includes 5 sections and conclusion. Section 1, Genes and Gut Bacteria, What's the Connection? Section 2, Your Blood Type and Gut Bacteria. Section 3, Gut Bacteria and Your Mood. Section 4, How Your Gut Bacteria Affects Disease. Section 5, How to Use This Info. Conclusion. Section 1, Genes and Gut Bacteria, What's the Connection? So, what's the deal with our genes and gut bacteria? Well, researchers looked at over 5,000 people and found that certain parts of our DNA are connected to the types of bacteria that live in our guts. In fact, they found over 500 different connections between genetic variations and the amount of specific bacteria. And guess what? It's not just random, these bacteria have important roles in our health. For example, there's a part of our genes that affects how we digest dairy, and this also changes the levels of certain bacteria. If you can handle dairy well, your gut might have more of a type of bacteria that thrives on it. But if you're lactose intolerant, your gut could have a different mix. It's all about the food you eat and how your genes work with it. Section 2, Your Blood Type and Gut Bacteria. And it gets weirder, your blood type might also change which bacteria are hanging out in your gut. A specific type of bacteria in your gut seems to like using some of the sugars that match your blood type. So, if you're blood type A, B, or AB, those bacteria might use your body's natural sugars for fuel. It's like having a personalized menu for the bacteria in your gut. Section 3, Gut Bacteria and Your Mood. But it's not just about digestion. New findings suggest that bacteria in your gut could even be linked to your mood. One type of bacteria, Morganella, might play a role in conditions like depression. Yeah, the gut-brain connection is real. The more of this bacteria you have, the higher your chances of developing depression, and that's a pretty big deal. Scientists are still figuring out exactly how this works, but it opens up all sorts of possibilities for understanding mental health. Section 4, How Your Gut Bacteria Affects Disease. There's even more. Certain bacteria in your gut might increase your risk for diseases like colorectal cancer. For example, a type of bacteria called Enterococcus faecalis has been linked to genetic variations that are also connected to cancer. This means your gut bacteria could influence your risk for some serious health issues, all depending on your DNA. Section 5, How to Use This Info. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, scientists are just scratching the surface, but understanding how your genes and gut bacteria interact could help doctors predict diseases, mental health conditions, and even guide your diet in the future. Who knows? One day, you might get a personalized gut health plan based on your DNA. Conclusion. It's incredible how much we're learning about the hidden world inside us. From how we digest food to our risk for certain diseases, our genes and gut bacteria are a team working together. So, the next time you think about gut health, remember, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about what's in your DNA. Want to learn more about how your body works in surprising ways? Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to take care of your gut, your genes are counting on it.